There is a crisis of tradition, there is a crisis of culture, there is a crisis of political ethics. Please contribute something for the society, and no doubt everyone is doing great job here, but my message will still remain the same. Do something for the society, be the stakeholders, because in the end, regardless of how your bank balance look like, or what car you drive, or how much is your property, it doesn't count. What matters is what you have done for your society, what you are doing for your people. That will matter. So, to all the youth, keep participating in the society, do something. Time has gone for the seniors, for the elders. They have done enough. Now it's our time. Let's promise, let's do something. Because after 10 years, 20 years, we'll be asked, what have you done as a club president, as a society youth, as a legislator, or as the community head? So we should be present with our answers, that we have done this, we have done that. Do not be divided, be united. There are many elements which comes every moment to divide us, but keep all the negative energy aside and be strong, be united. We all know that our society is so much lacking in terms of everything, every aspect, be it politics, be it in terms of culture, be it in terms of tradition. I have seen the stage of life, 3 stages of life. As a youth, I have seen what has happened and what is happening. And after I came to politics, I have seen, as an opposition, I was concerning the voice of our people. In that moment also, I have seen what is going on. And now in the position bench, now also I have seen what is lacking. In our society, there is a crisis of tradition, there is a crisis of culture, there is a crisis of political ethics also. So, it cannot be resolved unless and until we come united, we be united. What is dividing us is our ego, politics, our beliefs. We should never be divided. We are very small in numbers. We don't get exposure in other states also. So let's come together. Let's contribute something for the society. I hope that Don Bosco will further achieve greater achievement and will do many things for the society, many more events and many more developmental works. And SDM has left, and he had announced here before me that there will be an ambulance given to Nepaltila PHC. So I think in the next 1 or 2 months it will also be intervened. And thank you so much for having me here. I'm very much honored that you all have shown me so much of respect and so much of love.